Building a scalable business that supports and energizes you needs repeatable systems and workflows. That is where ClickUp's templates are a godsend. You just do it over and over again. But the moment you want to adjust or update those templates is where the pain starts. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how ClickUp pros approach updating, storing, and managing ClickUp templates till we get the template library 2.0, and ClickUp hopefully will make it easier for us. Hey everybody, I am Yvonne Heimann with AskEv.com, and I am a business efficiency consultant for digital entrepreneurs. And if you're ready to scale your business and streamline your processes and systems, you are perfect right here. So hit the subscribe button and the bell for weekly tips and tricks on how you can streamline your business, scale your efforts, and build a business that supports you and energizes you. Now today, I want to talk ClickUp templates. ClickUp templates are a godsend. This is all a scalable business is about. You build the box and you repeat it and you repeat it and you repeat it and you repeat it. That's what scalable businesses are about. Building those systems and workflows means you are setting up task templates, list templates, space templates in ClickUp, and it's all great till you are wanting to update them, till you are trying to share templates, till you are trying to actually work with those templates on an everyday basis. So today I'm going to show you how we internally handle all of those templates, how I keep track of all of the templates that are available in the Academy to you, and how we update them. Now, stay tuned till the end of the video because I'm also going to share a pro tip with you that will help you not see your templates all over the place and get a full-on workload that's not a workload. So stay tuned till the end of the video. But before we get into that pro tip, let's go on over to my ClickUp and I'll show you how I even keep track of all of the templates I have. So as you might know, you can find all of your saved templates right here in the template center. That's where they are saved. That's where you pull them up when you need them in your task, in your list, or anything. But that's a topic for another video. Right now, I want to talk to you about how to actually keep track of all of your templates, especially when you are selling your templates, which is actually quite simple. Set up a folder for your template collection and just a list underneath, and every single one of your templates becomes a task. You don't need to assign it to anybody, so if you switch into me mode, it will not bug you. Because right now, we are focusing on a collection of information. When you need to update things, that's when you can assign those. But again, whole thing for another video. Right here, we have, for example, my all-loved social media content creation task management template. That is a template that is a task template. So we have a custom field right here that links straight to that task template. We also have an associated space template with that. And that's how we handle this internally. You literally just make every one of your templates a task. If you want to, you can combine tasks. So if you have a template for a space that also has a task template, you can combine these two and just use the custom field for space for the space link and the one for the task in the task link. Really simple. If you don't know how to pull those URLs from your template library, you need to set them public and grab them. But we do have a video on all of the template stuff right available for you. Cool. Now, this takes care of our organization and figuring out where all of my templates are and allows me to really easy grab those URLs and share those. But how do I actually work with these templates? As you can see, we are in hidden spaces here right now, so I do not have those viewable in my everyday spaces. And as you can see down here, these are all space templates that we have. Where with the simple social media space, this is a full-on space template. With the content creation folder, with all of the lists underneath, with an example task in here, with all of the custom fields, it's right in here. And this is where we make updates. Now, little pro tip, to make sure you do not screw up your task templates and making sure you did save it, didn't you save it? What are you doing with this thing? Is it actually in the template library? Is it updated? Yeah, this is one of the issues we have with ClickUp templates right now till they release updates to the template library. What I do is I pull in the template from the template library, I update it, and then I resave it into the template library. So once you've done all of your updates right in here in that space, or the folder, or the list, or wherever, you go into your 3 menu dots and you go into Template Center, and then you either way save as a template if you're wanting to save it as a new template, or you save it to update an existing template. Now, if you look at my naming convention, these are company templates with the T up front. This is what we use. This is with the T. This is an internal template. Then you see the ones with the brackets with a C in it. Those are public templates that are available on my Academy. So I do not update those live show templates except for when I update the Academy, and I actually use the live show workflow with the T for our internal use. So make sure you clean up your naming convention. Now, as you can see, I build all of my templates in hidden spaces. This is where things are getting updated, where things are getting handled, where things are getting cleaned up. But what do you do with that? Because even though they're hidden, they're gonna show up in your everything space, right? And this is where your pro tip comes in for today. When you go in your everything space, make sure you go up here into your filter and you show or not show those template spaces that you are working in. So your location is not those template spaces, and now suddenly your templates are not gonna be around in your everyday task and bug the living heck out of you, simply because a sustainable, scalable business means it needs to be clean and lean. And this right there is how you do that. Now, you've made it till the end. Just subscribe? No? Then go hit the subscribe button, because in just another 7 days, I'm gonna share more tips and tricks with you on how to build scalable businesses that support you and energize you. I'll see you then.